Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So NotebookLM can help you organize information visually by generating mind maps and creating content that can be turned into slide decks for presentations. These features are especially useful for studying, research, business projects, and summarizing large amounts of information quickly. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to make a mind map and a slide deck in NotebookLM in 2026 simple and effective. So first thing, how to make a mind map in NotebookLM, like create or open a notebook. Okay, so starts by opening NotebookLM and selecting a notebook. You can either create a new notebook, open an existing one. Okay, most users build mind maps from study materials, research projects, business reports, planning documents. So focused notebooks create cleaner mind maps. Then upload relevant sources like add the documents you want or NotebookLM to analyze, like example include PDFs, articles, research papers, notes, reports. So NotebookLM will use these sources to identify major concepts and relationships. Better sources create more useful visual structures. Okay, then how to make a slide deck in NotebookLM, like organize your sources first before creating a slide deck. Make sure your notebook contains well-organized information. Helpful source type include summaries, research reports, meeting notes, presentation outlines. So clean source materials produces better slide content. Like generate a structured summary. So ask NotebookLM to create a structured overview of your topic. Like good requests include create a presentation outline, summarize key finding, organize the topic into sections, build a logical presentation structure. So this becomes the foundation of your slide deck. Okay, so strong outline creates strong presentations. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.